again, this is pursuant to the direction of INEC, both operationally and of course with the support of the board. Yung basically ang ina-address nito yung ating power restoration. No? In the power restoration, as you know, our experience, yung everyday may mga unscheduled power interruption which we cannot, for a variety of reasons, which we cannot really avoid. No? So one way that INEC is addressing that concern is, yes, nagkaroon ng unscheduled power interruption, pero mabilis sanang ma-restore. So for us to be able to do that, we need equipment. So this is ang mga equipment natin, itong mga manlift, nakita naman nyo, there was a first batch of 3, ngayon may 4. So all our areas now will have 1 new manlift, plus yung isa will go to our Home D, no? Yung gumagawa ng ating mga linya. Also, we also have mga service vehicles for our linemen also. Ito yung ating mga Isuzu 4x4. First batch naman to for the 4x4. Yung unang batch natin, yung 16 na Mitsubishi na for our linemen also, and they go around to service. Meron tayong pinurchase ng mga 4x4 kasi may mga area tayo na bundukin, so they need 4x4. So that's why we are also buying 4x4 service vehicles. May additional pala na mga 6-10 depende on the need to distribute to our area, especially doon sa mga areas natin na may mga bundok-bundok, which is area 4, which is in the area of Pagudpog, area 1, in the area of Solsona, and then and all the other areas na medyo kailangan ng ating mga linemen for them to be able to reach their destinations and yung mga areas na kailangan reach. So again, this is really pursuant to the restoration. Everyday natin, yung mga schedule. And pag meron tayong mga bagyo, to restore, basically pag bagyo kasi, malaking area, kung hindi man buong probinsya, malaking area, walang power, and that's for a variety of reasons. We really need equipment for that. Ang nangyayari sa atin, kung medyo malakas yung bagyo at medyo malaki yung sira, humihingi tayo ng saklolo sa ating mga katabing mga electric cooperative. Not because of the manpower, dahil we have enough manpower. It's the equipment. Kaya tayo humihingi ng saklolo. So, importante yun. On our own, meron tayong mga sarili equipment. Mas maganda na yung tayong nagpapahiram sa ibang electric cooperative kaysa yung tayong nanghihiram. Ibig sabihin. So that is why the board, with the support of the board, that's why we're spending a lot for equipment. Medyo napabayaan kasi yung mga equipment. Wala tayong mga bagong equipment for the past so many years. Walang purchase. So ngayon, parang naghahabol tayo with the purchase of equipment.
So punto ng INEC po ba ito, sir? At magkano po lahat ang worth ng mga...
Yes, ito, pondo pa ng INEC to. Medyo maganda yung financial situation natin. So may sariling pondo ng INEC. Kung sakaling may kailangan pa tayo, pupunta rin to sa pondo to na uutangin natin